Covering it.
Yes.
Recording. Okay. EasyLogic APF. Okay. இதான் ஹோம் பேஜ். ஹோம் பேஜில் வந்துட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஓகே ஹோம் பேஜில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்துட்டு கிரிட்டு லோடு அந்த மாதிரி காமிக்கும். கிரிட்டில் வந்துட்டு உங்கள் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபார்மர் சைட்லேருந்து வர இன்புட் சைடு. Okay. So it will be having two pages like grid and load. This is the home page. In the home screen, you could see that grid voltage, the harmonics, what is the current harmonics and voltage harmonics, and the power factor. These things will be at the grid side. Once the load is switched on, so I mean when this AHF is switched on, this grid harmonics, THDi and THD power factor I, this THDi should be reducing. Right now, if it is in 35% or 40%, or else if it is in amps of like 500 amps or 600 amps, then it has to reduce the THDi current. That's how we will be identifying whether this AHF is working properly or not. Here, the lower side, the harmonics will be same, but at the source side, before switching on, if the THDi percentage is 30%, grid side and load side, both the things will be 30%. After switching on, grid side it will be coming down to 2% and 3%. Load side it will be 30% only. So that's how we will be finding the difference that the AHF is operating properly, whether the THDi level is going down after switching on the AHF. That is the first thing, and this is the home screen. And since we are connecting the CT at the source, the CT position it is showing in the source side. If we are going to connect the CT in the load side, then this display will be showing in the load side. So next we could go for the main menu. We have to just press that top 3 lines to go into the menu, and the password will be, we have to press the shift P C S U 8 7 6 sorry PCSU, and once again you have to press the shift button. After that 8 7 6 5 enter. That is the default password. It will be asking for a new password. You don't need to provide any new password. You just press the cancel. You press the cancel, it will come to this page, settings page. In first, it will be having this measurement page. In measurement page, you could see the load, kilowatt, kVA, and kVA, those things. So while running, we will be getting these parameters. And next, this is the THDi level, about L1, L2, and L3. Right now, it is showing for L1 or phase. So we could just see in L2, L3, like that you could see. Even for voltage harmonics also you could see here. So when it is running, once again you will be getting the another bar, the green bar and red bar. 2 more bars will be there, so that while running you will be having 2 bars. And waveform, we could see like in waveform we could check which parameter we could see in the waveform, either the grid voltage or load current or compensation current or grid current. We could select the parameter to see the voltage waveform. So right now it is in grid voltage, all the 3 things. So right now, since the voltage is there, it will be showing this waveform. And here if you go, it is a module info. Right now you could see here, select system. It is showing the overall system. It is a 4 AHF connector, so it will be showing all the 4 AHF average voltage. I mean, this is the DC bus voltage. This voltage is 350 to 350 is the DC bus voltage of the capacitor. Positive to negative, and positive voltage and negative voltage. The next thing is, if you go here, you could select module 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have right now configured for 4 modules. So, and we have connected second module as the master. So it is showing us host as 2. So if you want to see the individual parameters, you have to just click 1. So right now it is showing only the module 1 data. Module 1 total operator time, module 1's IGBT temperature, inlet temperature and output temperature, and the DC bus voltage. So once again, if you go for module 2, in module 2 it is showing the module 2 values. So individual values could be seen, or else if you need a system, you could press the system and it will show the average values of all the 4 modules. This is the measurement page. So next, module info. 4 modules are connected right now.
By any chance, if something got disconnected, some fault or
No, it will be going like offline.
Because whatever is connected is showing in green. If it is not connected, it will go in black.
And it will go offline.
Not connected, so it's showing black. That will show. Yeah, from there you can find out which is active.
It will be in online and it will be
Online.
offline.
address, what it is actually?
1, 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4 is the dip switch which I set.
That's what the dip switch, right?
The
The
dip
one
switch.
address 1 is 1,
2 is
address
2,
Yes.
okay.
3 is 3, 4 is 4. It depends upon the dip switch.
So we cannot change the address.
So you cannot change it. You have to change it on the dip switch.
In dip switch only manually we can change.
Okay.
In HMI you can change it.
I can
cannot assign some other address
Uh-huh.
here.
We
No,
cannot do it here.
in
You have to
HMI
go
you
and
can't
do
do
it
it.
physically. Then only it get updated.
The address should be changed only in the dip switch.
Okay. So this one is master how it is been directly connected.
No,
This
no,
cable is
no.
directly connected.
I
to
have
the-
set the
Okay.
settings page. I have set it as well. Next, I will just first show this settings. So while powering up during commissioning, you have to go inside the settings page. Go for settings. It will be having the system. It will be having the basic data, connection type. We are connecting 3-phase and 4-wire. So we have to connect 3-phase 4-wire. If it is a 3-phase 3-wire, we have to select the 3-phase 3-wire. And right now 3-phase 4-wire, and the nominal voltage is 400. Nominal frequency 50 Hz. CT ratio we have to set it here. Whatever the primary setting. The CT ratio, the primary thing you have to set here, and the CT location. If it is a source side or load side. If it is a grid side, we have to set grid. It will be like that. And this is the CT wiring. If the polarity is reversed, then you could just change it, A minus or whatever it is. So mostly don't do it. Whatever, if there is a polarity change it physically at the site. I mean in the CT, not in the software. But we have the option. If physically it is not possible, then you could change it here in the software. This is the first page, and you have to just press the arrow mark for the second page in system. So this is the power on mode. So power on mode is manual. So if I select automatic, when powering up, immediately it will go for the automatically switching on the APF. So it's recommended to keep in manual, depends upon the site condition. And this is the operation mode. Right now it is selected for harmonic compensation. So this many compensation mode we have. Reactive power plus harmonics, and it depends upon the priority. If Q plus H means first it will give the priority to the Q, reactive power factor, and after that harmonics. And here is the B is for the load balancing. You could select all the three, and which one is priority, accordingly we have to select it. Since right now you are using it in a hybrid panel, select for this harmonic compensation alone. So it will compensate only the harmonics. And the compensation mode, it is intelligent. It's better to keep always in intelligent, so that automatically it will do the fine tune and other things. So control algorithm, let it be in disable thing. And the compensation rate, always we are going to use it for 100% only. And this is the capacity setting of this panel. So in this panel, we are using two 150 kVA and two numbers of 100 kVA. So we have set it for total capacity as 500 kVA.